Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and we're here in fabulous Las Vegas on a beautiful evening. We're going to check out the MGM Park tonight. Haven't been here in about a year. Lots to see and do here. There's restaurants, there's some nice art to check out, some water features. There's restaurants like the Beer House and Nusret and Top Round and Shake Shack and some others. There's also some sporting complexes like the T-Mobile Arena. We have Toshiba Plaza. We have the Dolby Live Arena. Lots to see and do here. So we're going to start here from the Strip and head towards the T-Mobile Arena area or the Toshiba Plaza area. And along the way, we'll do some talking and chit-chatting. So come along with me. Let's take a walk through the MGM Park. I love this water feature, and of course it's 10 times more beautiful at night, but I always see little kids running their hands along the little rocks and through the water, and if I were the parents, I'd just tell them not to touch that water. I mean, I don't want to get graphic here, but I've always had this thought that, well, this water feature is located very near a major sports arena where guys have been drinking beer for several hours and they're coming out half drunk, and well, again, I don't want to get graphic, but they might mistake this water feature for something else. And now that you're totally grossed out, this is Top Round, a somewhat new roast beef sandwich kind of place. And of course, the MGM Park is home to the Hello Kitty Cafe, which is becoming more and more popular every time I visit this park. And here we have the Beer House, known for, well, beer, of course, some casual food, and a killer Jenga. Maybe it's just my timing, but a lot of times I pass this beer house, it's closed for private events. So if you have it in your head that you really want to go here, I'd give them a phone call first. I will tell you, all of these places, and in particular this beer house, is mobbed before the Golden Knights hockey team plays either before or after the game. It's a huge hangout, and the arena is just a few steps away, as you'll see. Obviously, tonight the Golden Knights aren't playing, so the atmosphere is pretty chill around here in the MGM Park, whether you're eating, having a beer, or just chilling out at a table, taking a load off while you're walking that Las Vegas Strip. VGK, Vegas Golden Knights. Go Knights! The park here has plenty of photo opportunities, but if you're a Golden Knights fan, well, this is the place to come. How about this huge hockey puck? And just in case you were wondering, to the south of us, or to the left, is the New York Hotel and Casino, and to the right or north of us is the Park MGM, including that huge Dolby Live Arena. Lots of A-listers play that arena, including Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars and Aerosmith, just to name a few. Speaking of Bruno Mars, he just opened a new lounge in the Bellagio Hotel and Casino called Pinky Ring. They have a very strict no recording, no cameras, no nothing policy going on at the Pinky Ring. So I do have a Las Vegas trip coming up, a little more about that in a moment, but I do plan on visiting that lounge. I'm dying to visit that lounge. But of course, I can't bring you guys along with me because of those policies. But you know me, I'll see what I can do. This is a high-end steakhouse that opened up about a year ago in probably one of the most mispronounced restaurant names in Las Vegas. The way you pronounce it is Nusret. Trust me, that's the way it's pronounced. Nusret. They have a Nusret Wagyu burger, Wagyu beef, caramelized onion, cheese, french fries for $32. I could probably afford that, and it will get me inside this restaurant. Maybe I'll save that for the upcoming trip. The name of this beautiful piece is called Bliss Dance. It's a 40-foot tall sculpture of a dancing woman celebrating the strength of a woman who is both safe and present. It's a beautiful piece, especially at night if you ask me. What do you say we take a quick walk over to Toshiba Plaza in T-Mobile Arena, home of the Golden Knights? The Las Vegas Golden Knights are the current Stanley Cup champions. They beat the Florida Panthers in a 4-1 Stanley Cup championship last year. During a game, this plaza is loaded with fans, and the majority of them men drinking beer, thinking about that water feature right off the strip. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the New York channel and you haven't subscribed already, just click on that little New York logo in the lower right hand corner of the screen. It's that simple, it's free, and it does help the channel out. If you're enjoying this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it, guys. Now that we're heading into the busier season, the spring and summer here in Las Vegas, as well as Atlantic City, you're going to see a lot more activity here on the New York channel. Lots of hotels, casinos, restaurants, and room tours coming from Las Vegas and Atlantic City as well. Kind of laid back on those tours during the slow season, but things are picking up. I do have a trip planned for Las Vegas in the next few days, staying at 3 different places at the Cosmopolitan, the Bellagio, as well as the Mirage. Now that's a lot of packing and unpacking, but hey, it's a working vacation and it's going to guarantee a lot of great content continuing here on the New York channel. I still have a few buffets I haven't visited here on the Las Vegas Strip, and I plan on crossing all those buffets off on my list in this upcoming trip. Of course, the buffet videos will be on my Jersey Jeff Eats channel. The New York channel is going to feature a lot of new content with regards to hotels, hotel rooms, and attractions here in Las Vegas. As always, before I leave for a Las Vegas trip, I always ask you guys for what you would like to see me do while I'm in Las Vegas, so please leave a comment below if there's anything in particular you'd like to see me record, and I'll do my best to do so. As always, if you'd like to support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I do appreciate your support, guys. I knew those beers I had at the beer house would have done me in, and I really should have taken care of business while I was there. Now what am I gonna do?